4 chefs, 3 courses, only 1 chance to win. The challenge, create an unforgettable meal from the mystery items hidden in these baskets before time runs out. Time's up. Who will win the $10,000 prize? And who will be chopped? Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course in the meal comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. Please open your baskets. And for the appetizer course, you must use smoked turkey legs, ramen noodles, cherry bomb peppers, endive. 20 minutes on the clock, chefs. Time starts now.
The first thing that comes to mind is like an Asian salad. Pulled smoked turkey with endive, and then making a vinaigrette with sesame oil, orange juice, and lemon juice. Today I need to win to prove to myself that I still got what it takes and come home the winner.
I traveled to 22 countries. I did remember this one dish I used to do when I was in Thailand: sauteed noodles with veggies. Food in my family is a really big thing. My mother's a pastry chef, but she had to take less meaningful jobs to put food on the table. Today, I'm competing to make my mother proud of me. Yep, ship.
When I opened the packaging, it looked like Fred Flintstone would be eating that for dinner. I want to start making this one-pot wonder, like a spicy soup. I need to win today because I want my parents to know that I'm doing fine. Maybe it's a catalyst for them getting in touch with me.
I see the peppers, and I think pickle the peppers. So I grab the vinegar and the sugar. I look over, I see the ramen again. Got to turn it into a pasta salad. My mother is Italian. She always did vinegar-based pasta salads. I figure I'm going to take that approach.
Hey, we need some more kitchen space over here. You guys got a bigger table? My tactic with my competitors today is to try to intimidate a little bit. I can't wait to get some of these other chefs off here so I can have some more space.
Oh, man. I cut myself bad. I have to deal with it. I'm like, cook this food now.
At the last minute, I realized I haven't used the ramen noodles. Oh, crap. The bane of my existence. I wanted to smash them into oblivion. I took some of the pickling liquid, mixed with some water to rehydrate them, incorporated it into the salad.
1 minute left on the clock.
Marco hasn't started plating yet. Does he realize that there's only 49 seconds?
He's in the fridge. He's
Marco's
not
in the
even at the
fridge with
station.
nothing on the plates.
I hear some judges nervous about me, because all I literally had to do was put the salad on the plate.
10, 9,
Oh,
8.
where's the peppers?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Get on the plate, get on the plate, plate.
1. Time's up.
Oh my
Please step
God.
back. Chef Crystal, you're up first.
What you have in front of you is smoked turkey ramen with sauteed cherry bomb peppers and endive.
Next, Chef Marco.
I made a ramen noodle salad with smoked turkey lardons, pickled peppers, apple, and pine nuts, and endive.
Next, we go to Chef Sheu.
Today, I prepared a Thai noodle salad, cherry peppers, smoked turkey, ramen noodles, and sauteed onions.
Next up, Chef Trigg.
Today, I've done an endive and arugula salad with pickled peppers and turkey bacon.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Crystal, you've been chopped.
Crystal, your flavors were great, but your mistake of the turkey skin really helped decide it for us.
Thank you for being with us.
Thank you very much.
Chef Marco, Chef Sheu, Chef Trigg. Please open your baskets for the entree round. And the mandatory ingredients are celery root, rainbow chard, flat iron steak, chocolate frosting. 30 minutes this time. Clock starts now.
Steak, salt, pepper, sear it off, and then I'm gonna cook it in the oven because I'm not gonna mess around. The sauce, that's the main focus of the dish. I'm gonna make like a chocolate coffee spice sauce.
With the celery root, I'm gonna make a cream-based puree. I've done it 200 times. I know exactly how to do it.
For me, a good steak needs lots of salt, lots of black pepper, and a cast iron pan. I take the celery root and diced it up and made like a little salsa with it. Just kind of give it a little Mexican flair.
Trig is really bringing the spice rack to his station. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different spices that are gonna go somewhere.
I'm gonna take the stems and have my celery root and make my nice little root veg medley, and then just saute the greens. It'll be dope.
At 30 seconds, I'm like, you don't have anything else on the plate. And then all of a sudden, I hear
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
I hit one steak with chimichurri, and then
Time's up. Please step back.
I spill the chimichurri on one of the plates. And I didn't have time to get the chocolate frosting on the plate in any form.
Chef Marco.
A grilled flat iron with Swiss chard, chimichurri, celery root puree.
Next, Chef Shayu.
For this course, I prepared a pan-seared flat iron steak with root vegetable medley and sauteed chard with a spiced chocolate sauce.
Finally, Chef Trig.
What you have in front of you is a grilled flat iron steak with spiced hot chocolate and a celery root salsa.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Marco, you've been chopped.
You left a mystery basket ingredient off your plate.
Well, I appreciate the opportunity. Cheers, guys.
Chef.
Good luck, man.
Thank you, Chef. Chef Trig, Chef Shayu, please open your baskets. You must use bananas, pomegranate juice, phyllo dough, white miso. 30 minutes to get it done. Time starts now.
I've used white miso before, so my game plan with the dessert is to make a phyllo wrapped banana strudel with a pomegranate miso glaze and a chocolate sauce.
My plan is to make a tart with bananas, but the phyllo dough is beyond whack. Is this what we get for phyllo?
It's a little broken, it's a little dry.
There's no sheets to be had from this phyllo. I mean, is this...
Trig is throwing a fit with the phyllo. For me, that's just wasted energy.
The phyllo dough is subpar, so I decided that I'm gonna do a wrapped banana, like banana sushi. I put a lot of cocoa powder on the inside so it looks like seaweed. And then I crisp them up on the stove.
Normally, with phyllo, the first 2 layers are always messed up. I just take half it off, and I get to the good portion. Getting the strudel in the oven is essential, because I know I need to get it cooked and get it to crisp up.
Shayu's dish is very pedestrian looking. It looks like little turnovers.
10,
Why is he pouring hot sauce over?
8, 7,
Oh my God!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Shayu.
On the menu, we'll call it banana strudels with miso pomegranate dipping sauce, chocolate truffle, and whipped cream. My mother, she's a pastry chef, so, you know, I just took that little tribute to her.
Chef Shayu, thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, Chef Trig.
What we have here is a banana sushi with miso, caramel, and pomegranate. The orange sauce is a reduced pomegranate juice. I also put a touch of miso paste in there because the original intention was to make a granita with that, but blast chiller didn't get it done, so tried to thicken up that sauce last minute.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Trig, you've been chopped. Judges.
Overall, there was some flaws throughout the meal. Those ramen noodles, not cooking them and having them just sort of crushed. We really felt like you really were almost ready to go home on that round.
Got it. All right. That's it? Thank you very much. I definitely think that they made the wrong decision. I deserve to win.
And that means, Chef Shayu, that you are the chopped champion.
Thank you very much.
How you feeling now?
I take this food thing seriously. You know, I cook every day in, day out. And it's, you know, it's what I do. So I get all emotional now.